Do you want to earn some extra amount of money through trading? The scope of trading is increasing day by day. There are various people who is not even trading but become a billionaire from it. You know one thing, they don't wanna reveal their secret with anyone. But in this video, I am gonna share with you some secret chart patterns that are used by the professional billionaire traders. Okay, through which you can easily make your profits. Not make your profits, you can easily earn $10,000 a month only through trading. Okay, and with using these chart patterns. Okay, that's the secret, no one tell you. Every professional trader says that if you are a beginner in trading, then you need to spend more and more time on understanding these chart patterns. Okay, because if you will be able to understand these chart patterns, then you can easily understood that at what point you need to take your long entry point or your short entry point, or we can say that at buy your order, or at what point you need to sell your order. After watching this video, I am 100% sure if you become a master of these chart patterns, then you can easily win your trade. You cannot even win your trade, you can easily earn that much of amount. You can easily predict a buy or a sell condition. Okay, and that's really beneficial to you. Okay, so let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kesav. I am a forex trader and first coach, also the founder of trendingknowledge.com, where I am providing you all the tips and strategies related to trading. Actually, I am also providing the free forex training. If you are interested in trading and want to become a part of this free forex training program, then click on the link given in my description box. Okay, so if you are new here, then please press the red button to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of my every single video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box, or you can directly DM me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram username and it's my Instagram profile. Yeah, I know there are various people who already know about these chart patterns that I'm gonna discuss with you, but I'm also going to discuss with you some special chart patterns that you also need to watch it. Yeah, I know there are various people who already know about these types of chart patterns that I'm gonna share with you, but I'm also going to discuss with you some of special chart patterns that you never heard before. Okay, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so it's a time to discuss our first chart pattern, which is a cup and the handle chart patterns. I know most of the people already know about it, but this chart pattern is also very important and you need to know about that chart pattern. Okay, actually it is of two types, bullish and the bearish candlestick chart patterns. Okay, actually it's a continuation pattern. First of all, let's talk about the bullish continuation pattern. Here you can see a cup is appear, which is similar to a rounding bottom chart pattern, and the handle is similar to a wedge pattern. You know about the wedge pattern? Actually wedge pattern is like the ascending or the descending triangle pattern. Okay, and at this point, at this breakdown point, actually it's a breakdown point, and at this point you decide that you need to buy or sell your order. Okay, you also need to know about the wedge pattern. After that, bullish reversal came. Okay, when this handle pattern came, we observed two parallel lines to make a handle. After that, bullish reversal pattern came. At this point, you can buy a long entry point. Now when we talk about the inverted cup and the handle pattern, we can also observe a wedge type here, which is of two types, a rising and the falling. Here we can see that inverted pattern of the cup. After that, a reversal pattern came and you can easily sell your short entry point. Here you can also see a wedge. Now it's a type of wedge through which you decide that at this point you need to buy or sell your entry point. If it makes you a bullish cup pattern, then you can buy your order, otherwise you can sell your order if it is a inverted cup and handle pattern. Now it's a time to discuss our second pattern, which is of three rising valley and three descending peaks. Now let's have a look at this type of pattern. Here you can see a three rising valley. First of all, it's a time to look this three rising valley pattern. Here you can see it is of a three rising valley pattern. Okay, and you can see it's a breakout condition, and you can see here it's a trend line. Actually, it's a type of trend line. When you see this type of pattern, you can sketch this trend line. It's the most important trend line which enables you to, which will tell you that this is the breakout condition, and at this point you need to buy your order, or at this point you need to take your long entry point. Here you can see three rising values. When you observe that three rising values, then you can easily draw a trend line here and make sure to touch the most obvious points. It's very important. Now let's have a look on the three descending peaks. Now you can see here, these are the three peaks. You can see these are the three peaks where we draw this trend line, and it's a breakout condition. And when this breakout condition came, then you need to sell your order. Always remember, you need to sell your order. Now it's all depend on you that you take a long or a short entry point. Okay, it's a very important. Okay, now you can also draw a trend line. It's very important, guys. I know most of the people already know about it, but some of the people don't have any idea about these type of patterns. That's why my main motive is to educate them and provide them a best chart pattern. And you know one thing, there are various beginners who don't even know about these type of patterns. These are the special types of patterns. Okay, now let's move to our third pattern, which is of ascending scallop and descending scallop. This pattern is also a cup and the handle pattern, but you can't draw two parallel lines here. Okay, after this cup pattern, a breakout condition came where you can buy or sell your order according to that pattern. You need to, first of all, you need to observe that what's the type of pattern. It is a ascending scallop or a descending scallop, and according to that you can buy or sell your order. If it is a ascending scallop, then you can buy your order, and if it is a descending scallop, then you can sell your order. It's also very important scallop. This is also very important scallop pattern, guys. And through this scallop pattern, you can easily get idea at what point you need to take your long or the short entry point. Okay, this information is only for the beginners who is really interested in trading and want to earn some amount of cash through the trading. And you already know that if you want to win your trade, then you need to spend more and more time on understanding the chart pattern. I know there are various indicators on which, through which you can easily trade, but you also need to understand these type of chart patterns. Okay, now it's a time to discuss our fourth pattern, which is of a symmetric triangle pattern. Okay, it's also very important pattern, guys. You need to understand this thing. It can also be bullish or the bearish triangle pattern depending upon the market. Actually, it's also depend on the market, and that's, you can easily find that it's a bullish pattern or a bearish pattern. Okay, this is the most common pattern, and it's really very helpful. You can observe this pattern in any chart. When this triangle pattern came, you can easily buy your long entry point or sell your short entry point. This symmetric triangle form when the price converges with the peaks of lower price and the higher thoughts. If there is no clear trend, then the market can break out in any condition. You also need to look for the trend. Okay, if there is no clear trend, then breakout can be in any condition. So it's also very important to remember this type of pattern, which is of a symmetric triangle pattern. And you can see here, it's a type of ascending or the descending triangle pattern, you know, but it is a that type of pattern. It's not a ascending or a descending triangle pattern. It's a symmetrical triangle pattern. You can observe that it is a symmetric pattern. That's why we called it as a symmetric triangle pattern. Now let's move to our fifth pattern, which is our last pattern, which is a pennant or a flag patterns. I know some of the beginners already know about the flag pattern, but I also discuss with you this pennant pattern, that what is this type of pennant pattern. Actually, this type of pattern is created after an asset experiences a period of upward movement. Okay, here you can see a significant increase in the trend and a series of smaller upward and the downward movement. You can see here these types of movement. These are the smaller upwards and the downward movements. It can also be bullish or the bearish pattern. Actually, it is similar to a triangle pattern or a wedge pattern. Always remember one thing, a wedge can be ascending or a descending, while a pennant is always horizontal. you also need to remember this thing, guys. Always remember, okay, always remember this thing, that a wedge can be ascending or descending, while a pennant is always be your horizontal. Now these are the most important and the special type of chart patterns, that you can also see that these are the secret type of chart patterns. Actually, most of the people don't have any idea, so I thought to discuss with you. And there are various people who don't know even about these chart patterns, okay, and there are various people who don't have any idea about these type of chart patterns. And you know one thing, but I will always recommend you to that you need to spend more and more time on understanding these chart patterns, or we can say that in analyze these chart patterns. To analyze these chart patterns, you also need to remember this thing, guys, because if you will spend on analyzing these chart patterns, you will spend more time, then you will get more revenue. And it's also depend on your risk, that how much you are taking risk. I know most of the people don't have too much of money. So if you don't have too much of amount to spend in that trading, then I am using the OctaFX, which link given in my bio. If you will register through this link, then you will also get 50% bonus. And you know one thing, the minimum amount to deposit in OctaFX now is only $20. It's only $20, but I will always recommend you to start with at least $50 or $100, because if you trade with that minimum amount, then you can easily cover those losses. If you want to know more and the most important chart patterns, where I discuss all about the chart patterns and how you can read the candlestick chart patterns also, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I discuss all about the candlestick chart patterns and how you can read them. Just click on this I button to watch this video now. Now if you don't know that how to do technical analysis, actually if you are beginner in trading and don't have any idea that how to do technical analysis and how to use most of the common indicators, then you need to watch this video, or you can easily watch this video. Just click on this I button, okay. It's also very important video, guys, because every beginner should know about this type of technical analysis, that how you can understand or how you can do the technical analysis. It's also very important, guys. In my next video, I will discuss with you that indicator still works or not. And I will also tell you my exponential moving average secrets. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon to get notification, because when I will upload my next video in which I am gonna discuss with you my exponential moving average secrets, through which I am generating the more profits. I am making more profits just by using this type of exponential moving average secret. So you definitely watch that video. So thank you so much, guys, to watch this video till the end. I hope you like it. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please share this video with your friends who is interested in the trading and want to make some amount of extra cash, or you can say that an extra amount of cash only through the trading. Okay, you need to share this video with your friend. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care, have a good day, and yes, let's trade together.